What's up, guys? Fresco VK live here at Stadium Goods, and we're located on 47 Howard Street, Manhattan, Soho area. So please feel free to pull up. Another unboxing look for you guys today. Shouts out to Yeezy. We're unboxing the Cloud White Yeezy 350. So say less of all this talking. Let's get straight to these shoes. So we'll see the standard 350 box top. You see the 350 and the Boost, which is common on most 350 styles. But the colorway on this one is actually pretty fly. So here we take a look at the Cloud White Yeezy 350 version 2. So this shoe's upper, you'll see a variety of different patterns here. So we have the inner panel of the lace area. You'll see the combination of blue and white. And the outer panel, just above the translucent stripe, you'll see like an ice blue. So the weaving on this, you'll see the blue and white, as I mentioned, and the ice blue right on the other side. But as we get to the outer panel, the translucent stripe, which is common on most of the new 350 version 2 styles, like the clay, the hyperspace, true form, a variety of different ones that have released recently. We have the outsole right here. So it's a clear, translucent outsole, which is a caging of the 350 Boost. The back hit here features a slightly darker color in the midsole outsole area that you guys can see. Getting back to the inner panel, once again, pulled out with the blue and white overlay. We have the 3 stripes on the inner panel. And as we get to the outsole, once again, as I mentioned, the full translucent caging just to protect the Boost. So this shoe has a full Boost midsole outsole, much like most of the Yeezy styles outside of the, I want to say it's the Yeezy 500 is the only one that does not have Boost, but I believe the rest of them have Boost. So I'll give you guys one last look at the Yeezy 350 Cloud White version 2. So this is a follow-up to the other ones I mentioned before, like the clay, the hyperspace, the true form, the static, the black, the antlia, and a variety of different 350 version 2 styles. And please let me know what you think in the comments and which one is your favorite. I think this colorway is actually pretty fly. It reminds me of the Adidas Boost Parley. If you guys are familiar with the Parley, I want to say it was from 2017 to 2018. The colorway and the color palette is very similar to that. And I actually really like that shoe, and we have that shoe here at Stadium also. But let me know what is your favorite 350 version 2 style. And we just unboxed the Cloud White. We have a variety of others right here at Stadium Goods, and we are located on 47 Howard Street, Manhattan, Soho area. So please feel free to pull up. Thank you guys for liking and sharing all of our videos on Facebook, YouTube, and now, of course, Instagram TV. Make sure you guys follow at Stadium Goods on all social media platforms. Get some room in your phone and download the Stadium Goods app. It's available on iOS and on Android. And if you have any questions or anything regarding Stadium Goods, please visit stadiumgoods.com. I am Fresco BK, and salud.